Are you ready to elevate your Ram 1500 to the next level? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of tonneau covers, the ultimate upgrade for your truck. Discover the best tonneau covers that promise unrivaled protection, sleek aesthetics, and outstanding functionality. Whether you're hauling gear, protecting your cargo from the elements, or simply enhancing your truck's look, we've got you covered. We'll showcase top contenders that combine durability with style, ensuring your Ram stands out on the road. Get ready to unlock the full potential of your pickup with solutions that blend form and function like never before. Stay tuned, because your dream tonneau cover is just a click away. Number 7. Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a top choice accessory for Dodge Ram owners looking to enhance their truck's functionality. This cover is specifically designed to fit 2002 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 models, as well as 2003 to 2024 Ram 2500 and 3500, ensuring a perfect fit for your 6 feet 4 inches, 76-inch bed. Its design features durable, dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl paired with sturdy aircraft-grade aluminum frames, making it an ideal combination of durability and style. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling and coming with user-friendly instructions and mounting hardware. Pre-assembled horizontal crossbars provide excellent support while allowing for easy bed access whenever needed. Plus, for those worried about securing their cargo, the tailgate lock feature ensures peace of mind. With a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, the Tiger Auto T3 is truly the best tonneau cover for Ram 1500, offering quality and convenience at an exceptional value. Upgrade your truck today and experience the difference. Number 6. Gator ETX Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for Dodge Ram owners looking for convenience and durability. Designed to fit 2019 to 2024 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2010 to 2020 2500/3500 models with a 6 feet 4 inches bed, 76.3 inch. This tonneau cover offers an impressive blend of style and functionality. Proudly made in the USA with globally sourced materials, it ensures top-notch quality while being backed by amazing USA-based customer service. Installation is a breeze, no drill required. Just clamp the rails on, and you're good to go. With 100% truck bed access, simply roll the cover towards a cab and secure it with the included storage strap for easy loading and unloading. Plus, you can buy with peace of mind thanks to the limited lifetime warranty on the frame and a 10-year warranty on the tarp. This makes it a standout choice as the best tonneau cover for Ram 1500. Elevate your truck experience with the Gator ETX today. Number 5. Autosaver 88 has revolutionized the way we think about truck bed protection with their FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. Designed specifically for Dodge Ram 1500, 2002, 2025, and Ram 2500/3500, 2003 to 2024 with a 6.4-foot bed. This cover promises a precise fit, accentuating your truck's sleek profile while delivering top-notch functionality. Crafted from durable fiberglass reinforced polymer, it offers outstanding strength and scratch resistance, supporting up to 450 pounds without compromising its integrity. Installation is a breeze, no drilling required, with 6 robust clamps ensuring a secure fit. This cover preserves your truck's original condition while enhancing driving safety. The Autosaver 88 tonneau cover not only shields your cargo from rain, snow, dust, and theft, but also features an aerodynamic design that reduces wind drag, leading to improved fuel efficiency. For anyone seeking the best tonneau cover for Ram 1500, this product stands out as the perfect combination of style, security, and efficiency. Elevate your truck experience with Autosaver 88 today. Number 4. Karmacar Truck Bed Cover is an exceptional choice for Dodge Ram 1500 owners looking for reliability and style. Designed for the 2009 to 2024 models with a 5.7-foot short bed, this hard trifold tonneau cover combines premium quality and innovative design. Crafted from robust 6063 all-aluminum subpanels and a tough aluminum honeycomb structure, It ensures superior durability and protection against scuffs and dents. Its watertight channel hinge system, complete with hard polymer rubber corners and snap-on seals, delivers outstanding weather resistance, making it snow, rain, and dirt-proof. Installation is a breeze with its easy clamping system, allowing for a tool-free setup in under 15 minutes. Plus, it can support up to 750 pounds of weight, providing excellent security. The sleek, painted exterior enhances your truck's aesthetic, while keeping your cargo hidden and safe. For those searching for the best tonneau cover for the Ram 1500, the Karmacar truck bed cover stands out as an unbeatable option, combining functionality and style with a focus on user-friendly installation. Number 3. DNA Motoring presents the new upgrade truck bed top hard solid trifold tonneau cover. Designed specifically for the 09-18 Dodge Ram 1510 to 22 Dodge Ram 2500/3500 with a 6.5-foot fleet-side short bed. This is the best tonneau cover for Ram 1500, combining style and functionality with its sleek bullfrog bump texture and resilient aluminum material. The easy plug-and-play installation means you can secure the cover using included clamps, while adjustable tension ensures a snug fit. Weighing less than 70 pounds, it helps improve your truck's aerodynamics, leading to increased speed and gas savings. The locking strap secures the cover during transit, while rubberized edges provide a tight seal against dust and snow. Built to last, the black powder-coated aluminum and reinforced fiberglass materials can support up to 367 pounds and offer UV protection. The innovative design ensures a 117% improvement in dust-proof and snow-proof capabilities, making this tonneau cover perfect for extreme environments. Give your Ram the protection and style it deserves with DNA Motoring. Number 2. Whale Motor Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate solution for your Dodge Ram 1500 Classic and New 2002 to 2025, as well as the 2500 and 3500 models 2003 to 2025 with a 6.4-foot standard box. This expertly designed trifold cover boasts a custom fit that will keep your truck bed snug and secure. Constructed from durable fiberglass and aluminum, is built to withstand harsh weather, ensuring longevity and resilience against elements. Hailstorms are no match. What sets it apart is the easy installation, requiring no complex tools or truck modifications, allowing for quick attachment and removal, with reinforced hinges, tough latches, and an effective locking mechanism. Added security is guaranteed, making it difficult for thieves to compromise your gear. Plus, it's sleek. Aerodynamic design promotes enhanced fuel efficiency, leading to improved gas mileage. Each purchase comes with an extra weather strip, a hardtop trifold cover, and a 60-month warranty. The Whale Motor Tonneau Cover is truly the best tonneau cover for Ram 1500. Number 1. Real Truck BAK Flip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover offers exceptional quality and security for your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, or 3500 with a 6 feet 4 inches bed. Made in the USA. This stylish tonneau cover features durable aluminum panels with a sleek matte finish that enhances your truck's appearance while protecting it from scratches and UV damage. The ultimate security is delivered through its automatic latching system, which locks securely once the tailgate is closed, ensuring your cargo is safe at all times. Enjoy complete bed access without obstructing the third brake light, thanks to its versatile design that can be operated in various positions: closed, folded, or flipped up, with premium upgrades to perimeter seals and hardware. The BAK Flip MX4 is undoubtedly the best tonneau cover for Ram 1500, offering both functionality and style for every truck owner. Experience the combination of safety, style, and convenience with the BAK Flip MX4. In conclusion, choosing the best tonneau cover for your Ram 1500 can enhance both the style and functionality of your truck. Whether you're looking for hard, soft, or retractable options, the right cover will protect your cargo and improve fuel efficiency. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below. Safe travels with your Ram 1500.